uh, bringing you day 2 of our 10-day challenge. So today we are going to talk about setting up your marketing profile. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into agent.kw.com. It's going to bring you to your home screen like I am here. Now to get to your marketing profile, we're going to come over here underneath your name and go ahead and click. Now the first thing you come to is going to be the word profile. That is not the profile that you want to set up. Now if you haven't already set that up, that is your KW Connect profile. That is the profile that other agents from across the country or just all around are going to see. So you will want to make sure that one is set up also. But the one we are talking about today is your actual marketing profile that is done through command. So we're going to come down here to settings, and you will bring up, and you may remember that this is our applications page. I'm going to come over here to connect settings and go ahead and click that, and then you will bring up the marketing profile. Okay, now one great tip is that there is a marketing profile Kelly guide, and this is a really good thing to walk through if you have never been on this page before. So just what this page is going to hold, of course it's holding my photo. It's just an avatar will appear as the default. This picture does need to be 360 by 360. Typically it is best if it is square because everything in command takes it to a circle, and squares just convert better. If you have pictures that are too big, you can go out to resizeimage.net and you can take your picture down, you can take a logo down, whatever you need to do. Another important thing on this page is that this toggle switch is turned on. This is very important. So this will actually brand your website with using the office information. If this toggle switch is not on, your website will not go live. That's how they're keeping you in compliance. If it's not on, it will not be live at all. So if you're having trouble with your website, that could be one of the problems. Okay, and then we'll come down, and if you have a team logo, you can upload that. Coming down to putting in all of the information, and you can see this little red star right here. That just means that it is required. Filling out everything, first name, last name, your license number, your designation and credentials, your professional job title, your bio. Now just remember, this bio is one that the public is going to see. This bio can also be pulled into your website, so you just want to make sure that it's pulling and that you have something really good there. Mobile number, office number, if you have a fax, your email, and your website. Don't forget, if you've already put something in here and you're using your new KW website, you're going to want to change that. And then we come down to the Market Center Brokerage logo. And I get a lot of questions about where can I find that. So I wanted to go ahead and show you where one place that you can go and find that. So I'm going to come up and I am going to log into mykw.kw.com. Okay, and I'm going to go to marketing. Once I go to marketing, I can find this logos and branding. When I go ahead and click that, it's going to take me down. It's going to take me into a page, and I can then come down and look up my Market Center logo. And all you have to do is put in the number 152, and it will find Atlanta Partners, and I can download the new logo. Okay? And then it will put it over on my desktop so that I could then go and look at it. If you want to see which logo it's going to download, that is the logo that it's going to download. Okay? So I just thought maybe you would want to know where that is. Now another place that you can actually go also is, if you go out to mykw.kw.com, and you come to My Market Center Intranet right here. I can then come over, once it opens up, I can go to our back page. So I'm going to come up here to Market Center, and then I'm going to come down to Documents, and then I'm going to come down here to Logos. So these are all, there's several logos here that you could also choose from. Okay, so you could actually open it and download it. So just so you can know where to get a couple different logos. So I've done that. Of course, I'm also putting in all of my information over here. Everything that has a red star is required. And then you can come down here to your legal footer text. If you're on a team, sometimes teams want something different. Typically, each office is independently owned and operated. If you want to put some type of legal footer images, you can also put that. The reason that this is there is because in several different states, this is a required thing to have on every page, but we're not required to have it. And then you're going to also have all of your social. Now these are optional things. Notice nothing is starred. It's just so that they will show up on all your marketing and in your website. And then the Facebook pixels and ads. This is, we'll get into this in another video. This is just to add for your Google Analytics and for your pixels for your Facebook pages. And then down here, your branded KW app link. And we can also get into that in another video. As of right now, if you currently do not have the KW app, you're unable to download it because we are expecting a new release on that. And that's where we will go ahead and put it in. So I could go ahead and save, saying my marketing profile is good. Now, I can also come up here and click on the marketing profile Kelly Guide, and then we can go ahead and get started. And literally, this is going to walk you through everything that we just looked at on a one-by-one basis. So this is your branded header. You can go in there and you're going to actually see kind of what it's looking like as you're doing it. So this might be something really good. You know, upload your photo, upload your DBA logo. And then this is all the same information that was over on the other page. It's just a different place to do it, and it kind of does it all in order. And then you can put all your social media in here. It's literally just filling in the boxes. This is your legal footer. You can see it highlights it down here. Now this is a really interesting step. So you can go in and you can configure your email. So you have this says I have a configured email, reply to email at this. I can edit that if I would rather it to be my KW email. So if I came in here, I can definitely save my changes and update that here. Okay. And now I can, and it's also saying configure, if you want to send any type of text, you will need to go out and connect your Twilio account. Twilio is the servicer that will handle all of the text messages coming from your command. Now, this automatically takes you into the smart plans. So this is kind of interesting. So maybe you now want to go ahead and start putting clients on smart plans. This is giving you a way to do it in bulk. So if I wanted to come out and add several people to Monthly Neighborhood Nurture, I could come out here and just click the little person, and it's going to tell me everybody that actually has neighborhoods. And I could select them all and add them to Smart Plan. I can just do one at a time, two at a time, add to Smart Plans. So this gives you a great way of doing it all at one time in one place. I can also add by people in certain neighborhoods maybe. I can see who has neighborhoods set up. I can select all. and I could then add them to a smart plan. So it's just another way to do this kind of in a bulk moving through action. Okay, and then I can hit next. It's going to give you a summary, basically what I have enabled. So if I didn't have all of my smart plans enabled, it would not show me anything there. And I can hit continue. Okay, now I could go to designs, I could go to my IDX site, or you can just X out right here and it's going to take you back to your home page. So in this video, we just set up our marketing profile. Hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you for day 3. Make it a great day.